out here at 7th Avenue number 1 in Birmingham. Got a quick little upgrade here on the eastbound signal here. As you can see, Norfolk Southern has replaced the front pair of lights on this signal with a pair of newer, because you can see right here it's the original Safe Turn 12 by 24s on there, but the front lights are a pair of newer Safe Turn 12 by 20s. They replaced them. Still incandescent though, and it looks like these actually might be reused considering the condition of the backgrounds. But nice to see they're still incandescent. I mean, man, I don't know if these are the rear lights are original or not, considering the fact this is an old Southern install. Looks like this signal may have also gotten hit as well, because it's now leaning slightly, and the bell is up there is a bit crooked too. But yeah, just thought I would show this quick little upgrade here while I'm out just kind of documenting some stuff along the NA Weston today. Over and out.